Nofri, welcome in a new lecture of Coptic language. In this lecture we will talk about days, months, season, coordinates and numbers. The days of the week in the Coptic language are taken from the numerical orders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It begins with OY, it means 1. POY, it means Sunday. Snav, it means 2. P-Snav, Monday. Shomt, it means 3. P-Shomt, it means Tuesday. F2, it means 4. P-F2, it means Wednesday. ETU, it means 5. P-ETU, it means Thursday. Su, it means 6. P-Su, it means Friday. Shashv means 7. P-Shashv means Saturday. There are 3 Greek words and 2 Greek words and 1 Hebrew word used for indication of weekdays. Tikriaki, it means Sunday. Tiparskevi, it means Friday. And Bisabaton, it means Saturday. The months of the Coptic year are 13 months. It begins in the month of September and ends September next year. The months names are taken from ancient Egyptian divinities. Tut, god Tut was the god of writing, and the rest of gods and seasons of the Egyptian divinities. They are pronounced in Arabic, colloquial among the population, Christian population living in Egypt and outside, as Tut, Baba, Hatur, Kyak, Toba, Amshir, Bramhat, Bermuda, Bashans, Bauna, Abib, Misr, and Nasi. In Coptic, in the northern dialect, Suud, Baubi, Asur, Kyak, Tuvi, Mishir, Farimhat, Farmusi, Bashons, Bauni, Ibib, Missouri, Bikoji in Avot, it means the small months or the little months. In the seasons in Coptic language, Bihi Imshum, it means spring. Bihi in Ifro, it means autumn. Bishom, it means summer. Tifro, it means winter. The coordinates: Aept, it means east. Ement, it means west. Mheat, it means north. Ris, it means south. The numbers in Coptic language are OY, Snav, OY1, Snav 2, Shomt 3, F2 4, ETU 5, Su 6, Shashv 7, Ishmin 8, Psit 9, Mit 10. Then we compound them with the number Met or Meet, which means 10. We say Met OY or Met OY, Met Snav, Met Shomt, Met F2, Met ETU, Met Su, Met Shashv, Met Shmin, Met Psit. 20 Gut, 30 Map, 40 Me, 50 Tevi, 60 Se, 70 Ijve, 80 Khamne, 90 Bstav, 100 She. Afterwards, the word show means 1,000. We compound it. Show and short means a million. We can say also a million. She and million, it means 100 millions. Micho and show, it means 10 milliards. If you won't say a milliard or a billion, you can say show and show, or so you just say a milliard or a billion. And the rest of the numbers as they are known nowadays. The numbers can have a gender, whether masculine or feminine. If a masculine, we say as is, OY, Snav, Shom, Tiftu, Etyu, So, Shash, Shmin, Psit, Meet. If we want to turn them into feminine numbers, we return OY, we add E at the end of it, or a movement saying E at the end of the word. OY, Owi, Snav, Snoti, Shomt, Shomti, افتوي اتيه so شاشفي اشميني بسيتي ميتي. And the same for mate comes meaty. Mate it means 10, meat it means 10 for feminine, and 20 it means good. It turns into feminine goody, and the rest of the numbers as is. Meaty owi, meaty snooty, meaty shomty, meaty ftue, meaty itie, meaty so, meaty shashfi, meaty shmini, meaty psiti. And good, which means 20, the same thing, and the same good comes goody, and goody owai, goody owi, goody snab, goody snooty. When we want to put numbers in orders, when we want to say first, second, third, fourth, and so on, we have exception when it has to do with number 1. We say behoit, and for the feminine we say behoiti. In plural, nihovati. When we say the last, we say bihae. When we say last for feminine, tihai. When we say plural, nihaev. When we say second or third or fourth, we add the word ma in front of the number. We say bima snav means second for masculine, tima snavti it means second for feminine, bima shomt third masculine, bima shomti third feminine, and the rest of the numbers the same thing. When we want to talk about days of months, we say the first day of the month, second, third, fourth, and so on. We use the word so. It means day of, with giving the specific meaning of days orders in the months. Days order in the months. We say sumit shomt in bi avot, day 13 of the month. When we want to use the numbers with nouns, when we say, for example, 3 persons, 3 things, or any number followed by a thing, for example, bishomt in alu, the 3 children, or it's mentioned in the Bible, one of the historical parts of the Bible, it talked about 3 persons where some miracles happened to them. So when you say 3 persons, we say shomt in, and we say person, which might be Romi, which means a man or a person, or anything you would like to add as a number following a counted number. For example, we say bi mitsnav emma cities, we say the 12 disciples. For today's lecture, you can go to archive.org, details Coptic language. You can find the lecture on stored there. And if you find the difficulty in visualizing the content of it, you can download the fonts I use, which is Coptic font NA, Coptic font CPT Unicode. Those are fonts I have adjusted to act as a Unicode fonts to meet the needs of writing Coptic language. Today's lecture now is over. Until meeting you in the next lecture, when we'll talk about nouns in Coptic language. Oshebeh mot means thanks. Shanav erotenchen bi oshitneu, which means shantel navsi erotenio chen in bi the osh lesson or lecture. It means which or that or who. Neot means coming. Until see you in the next lecture. Goodbye for now.